Hey there! Have you ever looked at something around your house and wondered, what the heck is this for? Well, you're about to find out. Today, I'm diving into some of the weirdest, most overlooked features on everyday things, and trust me, you'll never look at them the same way again. Let's kick things off with jeans. Ever noticed that tiny pocket inside your jeans' main pocket? No, it's not just a place for lint. It was actually designed for pocket watches back in the 1800s. Cowboys needed a safe spot for their precious timepieces, and voila, that mini pocket was born. Now it's perfect for coins, guitar picks, or the world's tiniest snacks. Next up, that little hole in your pen cap. Ever chew on your pen and worry you might accidentally swallow the cap? You're not alone. That hole is actually a safety feature. If it gets stuck in your throat, you can still breathe. Pretty clever, right? Okay, let's talk about takeout containers. Did you know those folded boxes for Chinese food are designed to unfold into a plate? No more eating straight out of the box. Just unfold and dig in, moving on to sneakers. You know those extra eyelets at the top of your running shoes? They're not just for show. If you loop your laces through them, you can create a heel lock that stops your feet from sliding and helps prevent blisters. Give it a try next time you go for a jog. And speaking of shoes, have you ever noticed the little bumps on the F and J keys on your keyboard? They're there to help you position your fingers correctly without looking down. Typing pros know feel for those bumps, and you're in the right place. Here's a kitchen mystery solved. Those holes in spaghetti spoons, not just for draining water. The hole measures out a perfect serving of dry spaghetti. Next time, grab a handful and see if it fits. Ever bought a shirt or pants and found a tiny baggie with extra buttons and a weird piece of fabric? That patch isn't for repairs, it's for testing laundry detergents, so you don't ruin your new threads. Let's get into the bathroom. Ever wonder why your toothpaste has colored stripes? It's not for flavor, it just makes it look more appealing. Sorry, no secret health hack there, but check this out. Those little ridges on the side of coins? Back in the day, they stopped people from shaving off bits of precious metal. Nowadays, it's just tradition, but still pretty cool. And finally, have you seen those tiny holes on airplane windows? They're called bleed holes, and they help balance air pressure so your ears don't pop, and your window doesn't crack. Pretty wild, right? Everyday objects are packed with hidden features and fascinating stories. So next time you pick up a pen or tie your shoes, take a second look. You might just discover something new. If you enjoyed this journey through the secret lives of ordinary things, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and stay